Looking back on 2020, it was a year we feared the event industry would not happen. No fields of tents. No live music. Nothing to entertain us, but we survived when a 30-day glamping contract turned up at Winburn. Next was our staff Christmas party in August. From there, it was on to a Sky production called The Third Day. The film set location was on Osey Island, Essex. Next, Pumpkin Patches with Niall and Suzanne. As for the last show of the year, it was a Christmas lights gig, beautifully laid out at Stourhead Gardens. A 2-month commitment to braving the elements. "2020 proved to be a profitable year with a few long contracts, but we were all so glad to see the arrival of 2021.